Alright, so I got the left rear tire off. We're going to be using this tool here. Since I bought the bike off of someone, it was used when I bought it. I bought it a few months ago, and I'm going to go ahead and do the fluids. So I'm going to do a video on that. And so yeah, it didn't have the tools, so I ordered this off of Amazon. Worked flawlessly. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. Alright, so again, we're on the left rear tire. You take your spanner tool here, and you have these notches, which you can see right here. It goes all the way around, okay? So you take it, you get it in that notch. Just like that, okay? Then you can turn it. Let me get this in here just right. Okay, hold on one second. Let me get my rag to put around the handle. Okay, so helps if you have a rag or a towel or something around the handle. Just put it in that next handle. Put it in that next hole. Line it up at the top of the ridge. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. And I'm going to go all the way up with it because that's how high I want it. Okay. So, as you can see, I got it set on the highest setting that I want it on. And if it's your first time doing it, it's going to take a minute. It took me a minute because I'm doing it one-handed. Okay, so, like I was saying, I got it set on the highest setting that I want it on. I wanted the rear higher than the front. And that's how you use the tool. I ordered this off of Amazon. I think it was like maybe $12 or $15. Maybe even less than that. I can't remember. I ordered a bunch of stuff off of Amazon. I had to get the oil and the fluids and the differential oil, and I want to do all of that, and I want to do a video on it as well. So again, this is on the 2020 Polaris Sportsman 850 SP, and this is how to adjust the shocks using the tool. Now you can also use some locking pliers or some channel locks or something like that, and go ahead and just grip this piece right here, and then turn it in the direction you want to. Right now I have it on the highest setting, I believe, that I want it on, so that's where I'm going to leave it, and that's where I want it. Again, I'm not going to adjust the front shocks. I want them left just like that. I've already greased the Zerk, all the Zerk fittings, and I'm telling you, there's a lot. If you want me to do a video on that, just leave a comment below, and I'll show you how to do that. But again, this is on how to adjust a shock using this tool here. and ordered it off of Amazon. Just a few bucks, an investment worthwhile making. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and put the tire back on, what you see right there, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got the tire back on. I just hand tightened the lugs back on for right now. I'm gonna use my impact wrench to get a machine tightened, and then I'm going to use a torque wrench to torque them down to 75 foot-pounds. And again, if I'm incorrect, let me know, guys. But I'm pretty sure it said 75. I don't have the owner's manual. It didn't come with an owner's manual. Again, I bought the bike used, so go ahead and tighten these up. And now I'm going to get my torque wrench. Already have set. Trying to do this with one hand. Son of a gun. Alright. Let me put the camera. Okay. Got that out the way. And I'm going to go ahead and drop it so that there's weight on the wheels, even though it is in park and I have the brake on. Go ahead and drop that. And go ahead and tighten up the lugs. Alright, so it made that click. I know it's at 75. And again, guys, I got this torque wrench from Harbor Freight for what, 24, 25 bucks, I think. Good investment.